Today we're going to talk about present continuous. Present continuous, we have a subject, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. We also have be verb, am, is, are. And we have the verb ing. When we want to make a sentence, I am, verb ing. He, she, it is, verb ing. You, we, they are, verb ing. With present continuous, we talk about it in the moment. So, it can be while I'm speaking, or it can be these days, something happening around this time. So, I am reading a book. That means I still have not finished the book, but it's around this time. Or I am speaking to my teacher, which means right now while I'm talking. For more exercises, click on the link below.